In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Dexscreener to trade. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, when it comes to trading in general, you either buy or you either sell, right? So I'm going to show you how you can trade here on Dexscreener. So the very first thing you need to do, you need to connect your Phantom wallet to your Dexscreener, right? To enable easy trading, right? So I think I made a video about that on my channel. So ensure you go check it out whenever you are free. So you can see I connected my Phantom wallet to my Dexscreener already, right? So I think it's now easier for us to trade. And when it comes to trading, there's a whole lot of things you can consider when you want to buy a meme coin, right? So let me say from the current looks right now, I think this token is a very good token with 4,000 marketing boost. It's just, I think, 120 minutes old with a total transaction of more than 24,000, trading volume of 3.9 million. Current market cap is 428,000, right? So if you click on this token, when it comes to trading, as I told you earlier, you can either buy or you can either sell, right? So this token, you can either come on here, you can buy this token. Once you got some SOL on your wallet, if you click this token, you can buy this token. If you click this here, you can either buy or you can either sell, right? So this is basically how you can trade on Dexscreener. The first thing you need to do, you need to connect your Phantom wallet to your Dexscreener, right? And fund your Solana to enable easy trading and soft experience, right? If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.